Hello everybody, today I'm gonna make sayur asem. Sayur asem is actually sweet and sour vegetable soup. Some people will use tamarind in it and some people will use some kind of vegetable that's so sour. But in today's video I'm gonna use this ready-made seasoning from Bamboe. It is from Indonesia, I believe, and then we just need to do as direction. So let's get started. First of all, I'm using the vegetables. Here I have cucumber, squash, and long bean. Actually in Indonesia we call it melinjo. It's a bean, but I couldn't find it here. I'm using these mixed beans. In the direction they say should use 2 to 3 cups of water, so I'm using 2 cups here, and then boil the bean. After the bean is boiled, I add the vegetables. As you can see here, the water is not enough for the vegetable, as they said only 2 to 3 cups, so I ended up adding 3 more cups into the soup. And then after I add the water more, I add the seasoning. Here is the Bamboe seasoning. It kind of paste. I believe it has tamarind in it. That's why the color is dark. And cook for about 5 minutes until the soup is boiled. Because I add more water than the direction, I add more salt too, and cook for about 5 minutes. Alright, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please like and share my video. Thanks for watching. Bye.